it go?
As well as can be expected.
Mom, I met Batman. He's so...
Broody?
No, I was gonna say cool.
All right, kiddo. Time for bed.
But Dad, we should go on patrol, right? I mean, you never know what bad guys are up to in Smallville.
Then lucky them, because you need some sleep. You have school tomorrow.
I'm leaving a present on your nightstand. It'll help you on your first step to being a superhero.
Thanks, Dad. I love you guys. Good night.
Love you too. Good night.
I have to go back out. Something strange is going on at the Watchtower.
It's the night for that, I suppose.
What do you mean?
I've been getting these wild tips from contacts all throughout Central and South America. The crime rate has plummeted.
Well, that's good, right?
You would think. But when I say plummeted, I mean there's no more crime. Not even a purse snatching being reported.
We should go investigate. I'll go get my cape.
We did good.
Yeah, we sure did.
Now batting, Jonathan Kent.
Yeah! Come on, John, you got this! Woo!
Look, it's Ken hit Kent. You might as well start packing up and head home because this game's as good as over.
Take one! Strike two!
Come on, John, you got this.
Strike three! You're out!
Good job, Jonathan Kent.
You'll get him next time, kiddo. Now, how about we go celebrate your birthday? Jonathan?
I just want to go home, Mom.
How is he?
Upset. You said you were gonna be there.
I know, but there was...
Hey, you don't need to tell me. Remember how many dates you had to leave in the middle of because of an emergency? The world needs you. I get it. But he needs you too.
I know.
He's getting older. Maybe it's time for the talk.